Hi, Susan here. I wanted to show you a few things that I got when I went to thrift store recently. Got this cool necklace for $1.50. Look at how many dangles that you can make with this. This thing is huge. Oh, I'm gonna have fun with that. These earrings were $1.25, but I thought they'd make a cute little dangle off of a tag. I got this little package of milk caps for $1. And I thought this would be interesting to make tags with, not tags, labels. I don't have very many labels, but I found this 1973 book. And look at, they're only a couple of fingers wide. I can cut these out and add them onto collages or tags, something. But that was $1.50 for that book. This is a flower Sizzix die. It looks like it was $20 originally, and I don't know if I got it for $3 or $2. But it doesn't even look like it's been opened or used. So I'm looking forward to using that to make some flowers for junk journals. And this looks like a teacher had given this to one of her students. It's Flynn from Mrs. D, April 23rd, 1999. My birthday's April 23rd, but I wasn't born on 99. But I thought this would make some really colorful junk journal pages or tags or journaling cards. I've got another book that's similar to this. And I'm always on the hunt for yearbooks. And this one's from June of '52. Look at how nice everybody's hair was. The boys were in suits. Oh, it even has their addresses. Arthur lived at 169 East 92nd Street. Jean lived 314 East 56th Street. Isn't that interesting? This must be what they want to be. A teacher. Norton wants to go into business. Arlene wants to be a legal stenographer. Phyllis wants to be a kindergarten teacher. Morton wants to be a pharmacist. Oh, Arlene is going to be an airline stewardess. Frank D'Antona wants to be an actor. I wonder if he ever became an actor. I am going to have fun using this yearbook. Doesn't it remind you of Tim Holtz People? So I got that, I don't know, for a couple of bucks. Oh, there's some. The very best of luck to one of my favorite pupils, who is tops in everything, character, intelligence, and looks. So this is a New York yearbook. Oh, I love it. And then I found a couple of these, definitely not as old. This is a 1996 yearbook. And this one's must have been Jessie's. Somebody drew Tweety Bird. And then another Pepperidge yearbook. I don't know what. 1995. Oh. Hi. So that was fun. And then I got this. I found this beautiful material. Now we have a sister channel that's called Sue and Sean's 1970 Home. So either I like mid-century modern things in my home or modern things, because since it's 1970. But I found this material and I swear that my mom had an outfit in the same colors as this. I'm going to have to find the pictures sometime. But I only had enough material to make the front of the pillow. So when I made the envelope closure on the back, I used a drapery panel. It already had a hem on the side or a seam on the side, so I didn't have to do that. But I got to show you something interesting about this drapery panel. So I'm just going to pull. And there you go. Bent a little on the back, but that's easy to bend back. But wouldn't that make a cute frame for a vignette? So let's see what I can do with that. It seems the easiest way to do it is to cut all the way down to the grommet and then pull it apart like that. And then you can get it out without misshapening it. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll go through and take all of these grommets out so they can make little frames. I got these off, and a couple, this one, I used pinking shears to go around to make it a rough edge. This one I just used regular little scissors just to make it a little thready on the edge. I've got this little piece of lace here that will fit this real well. So I think I will cut around this. Will this one work? We can try it. It might not be big enough, but we can try it. There, that looks cute. Now I should find a picture from that year, 1952 yearbook. Oh, goodness. I split this one a little bit more. There's a bottom half and a top half. This is the business side where you see the outside. And since I split it, I've got this pretty eyelash white yarn here. I don't know if you can see it. And I'm doing a couple of rounds of inserting this yarn inside. Can you see the sparkle on it? It's subtle, but it's there. You see, yeah, let me see if I can get a couple of rows of it so it's nice and thick, and you just pull it tight and it stretches it so it's easier to get inside those two grooves, the two halves. I think that's good. Take and tuck that in. It's so thick that it just wants to keep coming out. I've got so much in there. Come on, come on, get in there. Got my coffee dyed paper on the back. Got this glued on with Aleene's tacky glue. I did the black soot distress oxide around the photograph. I've got my glue gun warming up. I'm going to glue it in place, hopefully without burning myself. I don't know that, can you see the sparkle? Let's see what else I can get to make this a little bit fancier, because this looks kind of bland to me. I decided to make it into a tip out. Either glue on the envelope, or I can paper clip it in place, doesn't matter. I hope you enjoyed that. That was a fun project, and what was interesting is that you can use these grommets from drapes. Thank you for joining me today. If you have a chance, I would appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel or comment. Thanks again.